how to change or replace your linked debit card on Cash App. This guide is perfect if you've added a card before but now have a new or replacement one you'd like to connect. Start by opening your Cash App. Once it's open, tap the Cash App icon at the bottom center of the screen. This takes you to the main page. Next, tap your profile picture or icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see linked banks, then tap on it. Here you'll find all the debit cards, bank accounts, and credit cards currently connected to your account. Since we're updating a debit card, select it from the list. At the bottom, you'll see two options: replace card or remove card. In most cases, choose replace. But if that option doesn't work or gives you an error, remove the old card first, then add the new one just like you did the first time. For this example, I'll choose replace card. Now enter your new debit card details: the card number, expiration date, CVV, the 3-digit code on the back, and your zip code. Once you've entered everything, tap link card at the bottom. Cash App will process and confirm the information. After that, your new card should appear at the top of your linked accounts. As you can see, my bank account is still connected and the new debit card has been successfully added. Now you're ready to add money to your balance or send payments with your updated card.